pangalan mo kuya? Anong section tsaka strand?
11 Augustine.
Saan anong naitutulong na online resources sa pagluluto niyo sa strand?
Tuturuan kami ng ibang klase ng magluluto. Tapos,
Saan nyo nakukuha yung mga iba't ibang klase pagluluto?
sa online resources.
Na binibigay ng teacher nyo? Okay, thank you kuya sa interview. Ano pangalan mo kuya?
Iyan natin marami.
Ano pong section? Tsaka strand? ICT. Okay. So ngayon po, paano po nakakatulong yung online platform sa pag-drawing sa pag-animate nyo ngayon sa ICT strand?
Nakakatulong ito sa dahil napapadali ang drawing namin dahil online kasi.
Thank you sir. Thank you po. Salamat.
As an ABM student who uses the internet or technology to my advantage when it comes to my studies, I developed the skill of identifying reliable and unreliable resources. It is a very important skill, lalo-lalo na kapag gumagawa ka ng RRL sa research papers mo and such like that. And for an example, literature, yung mga ganon. And as for online courses, I benefited a lot from it, lalo na sa specialized subject namin na FABM, which focuses on accountancy. Is a really hard subject and sometimes very hard to navigate or understand. And yung mga videos online or parang mag-hire ka ng tutor online really helps a lot, lalo na kasi sobrang busy ng schedules namin mga students. What I like about artificial intelligence is that it is constantly adjusting depending on the individual that is interacting with it. For an example, yung apps like Duolingo has this personalized algorithm depending on the person. And nakakatulong ito kasi nag-a-adjust ito sa paraan kung paano mas mapapadaling matuto yung taong iyon.
In online learning platforms, how you students navigate and benefit from online courses and resources. Yung student can benefit from online learning platforms by accessing a wide range of courses and resources tailored to their specific needs and interests, allowing for flexible learning and personal education paths. 2. What are advantage of adaptive learning system and AI driving tutoring for individualized instruction? Why do you use AI for adaptive learning? I use AI for my adaptive learning to help me to get answer from hard question and help me to guide it. 3. In what ways how yung student improve technology access to education for students? Give student improve technology access to education by advocating for implementing initiatives that provide equitable access to devices, internet connectivity, and digital resources for all students, ensuring equal opportunities for learning and skill development.
In online learning platforms, how students navigate and benefit from online courses and resources. Bilang isang STEM student, nakakatulong tong mga online learning platforms by accessing a wide range, syempre. Lalo na rin yung mga courses at resources na nakakatulong para sa amin. Nakakatulong to para makahanap, to find specific topics, maka-access ng mga materials para na rin maka-collaborate sa mga peers and engage in self-paced learning. At isa pa, na-enhance yung understanding namin, pati na rin sa yung skills namin sa mga STEM subjects. On STEM, What are the advantages of adaptive learning system and AI-driven tutoring for individualized instructions? In short, why do you use AI for adaptive learning? Yung adaptive learning kasi, nakakatulong to sa mga STEM students, lalo-lalo na sa akin, para na rin maging more focus at to become more successful na rin sa isang bagay. Kasi nakakatulong yung adaptive learning by providing some lessons and activities na naka-align batay sa mga pangangailangan namin. Yung AI-driven tutoring naman, nakakatulong kasi ito para mas mapadali yung trabaho namin. Kasi di talaga maiwasan yung maraming workloads sa amin, sa field namin. Kaya pag maraming workloads, nandyan naman yung AI para makatulong at mabawasan ng mga gawain namin. Pati na rin makatulong para mas lalong maintindihan ng isang konsepto efficiently. Pero dapat maging mapanuri pa rin sa paggamit ng AI at sana wag natin abusuhin ito.